Now we will make the head turn. So for that, let's solo the head, also the null. We will also bring this reference to After Effects. Okay, now we have the reference here. Let's go to the end frame so that the head is stable, and this is the reference. So now we will start the path animation with this layer, which is the head base. Let me call it head base. From here, this is the end of the animation, by the way. So from here I am starting the work area and extending it up to 3 seconds ahead, and here we will add a keyframe on the path property of the layer, and right here where it is ending we will double click on the path, we will rotate it and try to make it look like the shape that we have as the reference. And you can see without even doing much, it is already starting to look like the reference here. Nice. Now we will enable this layer of the ear, and we will do some path animation, some position and rotation animation as well. And by the way, this layer will be masked to the head base. Let me enable it back, and let's hide the reference for now. So here it will rotate very much like this, and we will do some path animation. Here we will slightly make it flatter. Now we will do the same with this other shape, path, position, and then rotation. Let us change the track matte to head base, do some path animation. Nice. And now let us bring the eyes. These are the nose. We will do them later. Let's just animate the eyes first. Nice. This eye will move further away from the center, and this eye will stay there. So let us animate the position and rotation. And this eye, let's see how it looks if I just do this. Head base as the track matte. We will also animate this one where it will stay right here. This one go here. The eyes should probably stay on the same line. Yes, something like this. Actually, a little bit further there. Nice. Now we will animate these nose areas. Same principle. This one will be masked to the head base, and this other one will stay in the area of the head base. So let us animate them. I think I should animate the path of this eye as well, so that it will have some changes in the shape as it is going further away from the perspective. Same will apply to this other eye. Now we have our head animation complete. We can increase the opacity to full, and here we may need to do some simple animations on the head, so we will do that just to fix the proper positioning. and also some changes of the keyframe positions in the timeline. So this is the head controller. I think from this part the head rotation should start. So I will start the keyframes of the head rotation from here, so that the motion of the head rotation is going to start a few seconds ahead of the end animation. Likewise, we will do some animations here. Let's add a keyframe on the position here, and we will also need rotation. And now it will look something like this. Let's reduce the work area to this point. Now the start of the head rotation is sudden. We will make it more smoother with some easing. Just simple and slide, and we will increase the distance between the keyframes. And we will also do some easing on these two sets of keyframes, which are basically the gradient animation and the trim path animation. Just going to make the ends a bit more smoother and slower. And here in the end, we don't necessarily need the dragon to look completely towards the right, so we will increase these end keyframes a bit further so that it is slightly looking diagonally like this.